Let's go guys, Ichimoku technical analysis in only 3 minutes.
Yo guys, let's jump into it. I'm going to look into Bitcoin. There is quite a lot of things to say. So let me start by removing the Ichimoku for the moment, because there is other things to look at. We want to see our Bitcoin at least go up to the ATH that we got from the last of 14th of April, 64,900. This ATH, once we get it, we will have a forming double top with a bit of a pullback, and then we can finally go into the big run. We don't know when it's going to happen until we touch this ATH. At the moment, we haven't. So the other things we can look at is maybe the trend-based, trend-based FIB extension. You trace it from here, so up. We have to go all the way up here, and then to the lowest candle we had, up. And what we see here, we are exactly on it. Exactly, almost on it, okay? I'm using the Bitcoin USD index from TradingView, by the way, so it avoid us to see too many long head and leg on our candle. This one is mixing all of them together, and it gives us a more it's more accurate, I think. So now you see we're almost here. So I think it's close to our ATH. So what we're going to see now is a bit of a ranging period. I think it's going to range for a while until we finally break above. And it's not happening yet, as you can see. But once we break above this 100, we go about this ATH and go back. I think we're going back to the 78. Worst case scenario to the 61. Okay, so this will have to be we will have to see later and to look at it closely. Another things we can look at, it's the Elliott impulse wave. Clearly, we have a first wave here, a second wave here, then a third wave here, and the fourth wave cannot be lower than the first wave. We should get here, I think maximum, let's place it here at 54K. I don't think we will be lower than 57, but I cannot be 100% sure. And then after we have our big run at the 5, around the 5 here, which is 78. That's what should happen. Now, if I look with Ichimoku, what's going on today, but simply you can clearly see here we are ranging. The cloud is large. It's quite flat on the head of it. Our lagging is free to go up and down. We got this resistance, of course, here, our ATH, but the same as our candle. I remind you, we are 26 period behind with the lagging, so nothing surprising here. At least if we are ranging for a while, it will bring up our other element of the Ichimoku, the Kijun and the Tenkan here. Once we get closer, it gives us more support, so it helps us to predict in case of a bearish of a pullback. It kind of helps us to know up to where, down to where. If I look here at the Tenkan, I know I have a resistance at 58K, on my Kijun at 52K. If I go back behind, I can see I will have this one here. That's going also to create a resistance, but that's far away from our 61% of the FIB, so we can almost ignore it. But yeah, you understand the concept. Anyway, guys, it's going to be ranging for a while until we get this ATH. So no, at the moment, there's no point getting in for a long or a short call. Absolutely no point to do that. You have to wait for the signal. It's not coming yet. It will. The altcoins are not reacting to it. Our other major tokens such as Ethereum and BNB are not reacting to it. So we just wait. Okay, that's it for the moment. I see you soon. You guys take care. Bye bye.